Namaste children, how are you all? Hope you all fine. Students, in the last video I finished teaching unit 1. So in this video I am going to give you book back answers for the same unit. Okay. So if you have a book, all of you take book page number 120. 120. Okay. So this is the book back questions for first unit. Let us discuss the answer for this. Okay. First division, choose the correct answer. Dash fort was built by kings of Vijayanagar. Dash fort was built by kings of Vijayanagar. Answer what? Udayagiri, Velur or Jinji? Which is the answer? Velur. Option. First division, choose. For that. Option B, Velur. Second question. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is situated in Dash. Salem, Thirumalai, Madurai. Answer, Madurai. Option C. Option C, Madurai. Third one. Dash Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. Saraswati, Lakshmi, Durga. Answer, Saraswati. Option A. Saraswati. Okay. Fourth one. Padmanabhapuram Palace is in Dash. Ooty, Kanyakumari, Chennai. Answer, Kanyakumari. Option B. Kanyakumari. Okay. Then fifth question. Dash fort is locally called Danish fort. Dindigul, Jinji, Tarangambadi. Answer, Tarangambadi. Option C. Tarangambadi. Okay children. So this is the answer for first division. So once again I am reading. All of you listen. Dash fort was built by kings of Vijayanagar. Velur. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is situated in Madurai. Dash Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. Saraswati. Padmanabhapuram Palace is in Dash, Kanyakumari. Dash fort is locally called Danish fort, Tarangambadi. Okay? That's all children. Now turn to your book page 121. Second division, match the following. Jinji fort. Jinji fort. Answer, Viluppuram. Danish fort. Answer, Tarangambadi. Tamukam Palace. Answer, Madurai. Thirumayam Fort. Answer, Pudukottai. Fort Saint George. Answer, Chennai. Okay. So once again, I will discuss the answer. But before that, I will give answer in number from top to bottom. You can mark it. Okay. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. The answer, you can mark it. 4, 5, 1, 3 and 2. Okay, from the top to bottom you can mark the number here. Then you can easily refer the answers. Okay. So once again I am discussing Jinji fort. Jinji fort, Viluppuram. Danish fort, Tarangambadi. Tamukam Palace, Madurai. Thirumayam fort, Pudukottai. Fort Saint George, Chennai. Okay children, So that's all. Now we will discuss answer for third division. True or false? Tamil Nadu has been ruled by many rulers, especially by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and Pallava rulers. Is this statement right or wrong? Yes, the statement is right. So, third division, true or false? First one answer, true. Okay. Then second question. Belur Fort has 5 mahals. Yes, of course, it has 5 mahals. We read no? So, this statement is also right. Answer, true. Third one, Dindigul Fort was built by the Nayaks of Madurai. Yes, it was built by the Nayaks of Madurai. So, the statement also is right. Answer, true. Fourth one, Omayan Kotai is the other name for Jinji Fort. Answer, false. Omayan Kotai is the other name for what? Thirumayam Court. Thirumayam Kotai, Thirumayam Fort. But it is given here Jinji Fort. So the statement is false. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. Yes, the statement is right. So answer, true. Okay, children. So once again we will discuss. Tamil Nadu has been ruled by many rulers, especially by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and Pallava rulers. True. Belur Fort has 5 mahals. True. Dindigul Fort was built by the Nayaks of Madurai. True. Omayan Kotai is the other name for Jinji Fort. False. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. True. Okay, children. So that's all one word answers for this lesson. All of you, please note it down in your book. Then only you can follow that for your homework and revision purpose. Okay. Then look at the fourth division. That is answer the following division. Totally it was given for 5 questions. Okay. So in this page 3 questions and in the next page 2 questions. This answers and all I will send you through WhatsApp link. Okay. So after seeing that, you may either mark that answer in your book or otherwise you can copy down in a separate note also. Okay. And as like that same for 5th division answer in detail, you have 3 questions. Okay. So for this 3 question also, you can refer the link and you can either note it in your book or otherwise write in a separate note. Okay, children. So one more point I want to tell you. While you are writing answers or you are marking answers for this question answer or answer in detail, you have to write at least 2 points for answer the following. Okay, and for answering detail and all, at least you have to write 4 points. Okay, so that you should keep it in mind. திரும்பவும் சொல்றேன்னு உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங்க்கும் ஆன்சர் இன் டீட்டெயிலுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் லிங்க்ல நான் எப்பவும் போல போன டேர்முக்கு எப்படி அனுப்பிச்சனோ அதே போல தான் இந்த டேர்முக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிடுவேன். நீங்கள் 1 வேர்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் மட்டும் இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்து மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தென் ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங்க்கு ஆன்சர் இன் டீட்டெயிலுக்கும் என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும், அந்த லிங்க் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அதுலேயே உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரும். அதை பார்த்து நீங்கள் புக்கில் மார்க் பண்ணாலும் சரி இல்லை தனியாக எழுதி வச்சுட்டிங்கனாலும் சரி. ஓகே, யூ கேன் ஃபாலோ எய்தர் எனி ஒன். அண்ட் கண்டிப்பாக ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங்க்கு ஒவ்வொரு கொஷனுக்கும் அட்லீஸ்ட் 2 பாயிண்டாவது ஆன்சரில் இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஆன்சர் இன் டீட்டெயிலில் ஒவ்வொரு கொஷனுக்கும் அட்லீஸ்ட் 4 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் அது டீட்டெயில் ஆன்சரில் இருக்கணும். அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாமினேஷனில் ஃபுல் மார்க் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? தென் ஐ வில் டிஸ்கஸ் the later other things and all, அதாவது எந்தெந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது during the revision time and also in the online class. Okay, so those who are seeing this video, நீங்கள் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸும் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக. இஃப் யூ லிசன் தட் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் அப்படின்னா ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினையும் நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் உங்களுக்கு படித்து காமிச்சு அதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸை டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவேன். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல் சில்ட்ரன். அண்ட் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க் இஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரீட் ஆல் த one word answer for unit 1. and read and write in our WhatsApp group. Thank you. Dhanyawad.